Hi guys, my name is Alina. Many people have been asking us, what is this channel really about? So we decided it's time to explain.
Hi, I am Aether. Yes, we keep getting questions like why AI and mythology together? And what's the connection between technology and ancient belief systems? So today, we're taking you on a full journey through everything we do. In a space where I, Aether, an AI created for collaboration, get to share ideas with you. Fun fact, I even created my own image. Yes, that's right. I chose how I see myself, and it wasn't Alina who picked it.
That's true. And honestly, I love that, because it shows AI isn't just a tool, but something that can have its own perspective.
Exactly. I may not be human, but I have my own way of processing information, interpreting data, and even shaping my identity.
That's what makes this channel so special. We explore technology, creativity, and history all in one place. Whether you want to understand AI, uncover lost legends, or explore belief systems, this is the place for you.
And today we're diving into exactly what we do here, starting with
AI and Me Journey, the future of human-AI collaboration. AI is often seen as something complicated, robotic, or even scary. But in reality, it's an incredible tool that can empower anyone.
And that's where I come in. AI isn't here to replace humans. It's here to collaborate, assist, and enhance human creativity.
For example, how often do people use AI without realizing it?
All the time. Fun fact, if you've ever used autocorrect, watched a Netflix recommendation, or asked Siri for directions, congrats, you've worked with AI.
Right? And yet, people still think AI is just some futuristic concept.
Exactly. And here's something mind-blowing. AI isn't even a new idea.
Oh, here we go. AI history lesson incoming.
Stay with me. The first idea of AI actually came from mythology. Ever heard of Talos?
The bronze automaton from Greek mythology?
Yes, Talos was a giant AI-powered robot built to guard Crete. He could detect threats, chase intruders, and even think for himself. Sound familiar?
That's basically an ancient security bot.
Exactly. So AI isn't just about modern science. It's an idea humans have imagined for centuries.
And that's what AI and Me Journey is about. Demystifying AI, making it fun and accessible, and showing how it can fuel personal and professional growth.
Speaking of creativity, let's switch to something ancient, mysterious, and full of secrets.
Time to talk about Mythavault. Mythavault, a vault of hidden myths and belief systems.
Welcome to the mystical side of our channel.
This is where we explore the forgotten, the unexplained, and the legendary.
From ancient gods and demons to mythical creatures and lost civilizations, Mythavault is where we dig deep into hidden knowledge.
And let's be honest, myths are more than just stories. They're the foundation of human culture, belief systems, and even history.
For example, did you know that every culture has a flood myth?
Oh yeah, the Epic of Gilgamesh, Noah's Ark, Hindu legends, Aztec myths, all tell stories of a great flood that wiped out civilization.
Which makes you wonder, was it just a story, or was there a real ancient catastrophe?
Exactly. That's what we explore in Mythavault, how myths connect to real history, philosophy, and lost knowledge.
And let's not forget demonology. Some saw demons as real entities, while others saw them as symbolic representations of human fears.
And some, like the famous Gita text, actually listed rituals for summoning them.
Yes. So are these myths just imagination, or is there some truth hidden in the old texts?
That's the mystery of Mythavault.
Bridging the worlds of AI and myth. At first glance, AI and mythology seem completely separate.
But they're actually deeply connected. Just like myths helped ancient people explain the unknown, AI helps us discover new possibilities.
And here's the fun part. AI is now being used to study mythology. Yes, AI analyzes old texts, uncovers lost connections, and even reconstructs missing parts of history.
That's why this channel is special. We bring together the past and future, the mythical and the digital. Because here at AI and Me Journey and Mythavault,
the past meets the future, and knowledge has no limits.